About the floating side menu. This is the floating side menu right over here. So whenever I move anywhere in Google Form, it gives me additional menus that's always going to be with me to help out. So first one is adding in a question, depending on where you are highlighted. So if I'm clicked here on this title, it will be added underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and add a question, and that will pop up a question. I'm going to go ahead and delete this since that is the example. The second one is importing a question. Now you can't import like a whole file of questions, but if you want to import a question from another Google Form quiz and find the question. So biotech equipment checklist. Say like I want to ask this question here and that question there. It will import the questions just like the way it is. The second one is adding in a title. So here is a title, the untitled title. And here for the title, you have the option of adding in a description. For adding in a picture, when you add in a picture and you click on this, it will take you to your image options as before. And once you enter it in, this is my image. I can put a title on it. I can put a description on it. And in the other options, because it is specifically a picture, you can put in a hover text. That means if the picture does not load, in lieu of that picture, there is a text that you can put in so that they know what it is. That's what's this show hover text. I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Also for each picture, you still have these formatting options and also to change it or to move the picture itself. Let's make sure I'm clicked on that so the video is going to show up after this question here. Paste a direct video to YouTube. This is the best option. In YouTube itself, you can verify who the actual poster is. Let the ad play. It's very important that you skip it. When you copy and paste the link, it will not show the ad. If you do not pass the ad, it will show the ad when the students play the video. I can now also verify and see who the actual poster is. This is the verified account of that person, not someone who's trying to repost a viral video and trying to get more subscribers. So let's go ahead and go back to the quiz. All I'm going to do is press paste. I'll give you a preview of the video and hit select, and it will add in the video. Over here, also add in a caption, and it could be like, so you can put in captions that way, and that's the actual video. The other one is adding in a section. So if I click that, I add in a section, and the sections help you split up your quizzes. If I go ahead and click on the actual sections, I'm going to show you how each section can be organized. How can you see all your sections? If you have a very long quiz, you can go to move section, and voila, it shows that I have 4 sections. They're arranged in chronological order. First one's called Quiz Demo Galore. The second one's called Side Menu. The third one's in Title section because that was my example section. And then Answer of Awesome section. So I can move these each individually. Also can hold them down and move them like this, or move this down and then move this back up. So that's the options for moving your sections. Plus it gives you a preview of all of it. It has the option of duplicating the section, deleting the section, or you can, if you made a mistake and you didn't want to split this section, you can merge it with the other section and it absorbs the section title. I want to show you guys is the option of creating a if-then statement depending on what students answer. So I have a survey question that says, which do you prefer? Chocolate. If they prefer chocolate and they go on to the next question, they can default go on to the next section. So I'll go ahead and there's another question here. and they will change it automatically for you because you noticed that I was in short answer. And so Google Forms does have something sensitive to change it to the right format. So there's dark meat and white meat. Based on the answer, I could change this. Show Go selection based on answer. They prefer chocolate. They continue to the next session. Depending on this, you can have them go to different selections or say, okay, once they select dark meat, they can go on to the next selection. If they select white meat, they can finish the survey. If I said, if they like potato chips, so if they click on go to section 4 for potato chips, it'll go to potato chips. Yes, that's because you like potato chips.